ChatGPT just added a game-changing new feature that allows you to create group chats with their AI system. Want to start your own? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to start a group chat with ChatGPT. Now let's get started. To start a group chat with ChatGPT, first ensure you've updated the app to the newest available version. Then open the ChatGPT app and tap the group chat button in the top right corner. Tap Set up your profile. You can customize your display name and username and add a profile image if you like. Tap Save Profile. Then tap Start Group Chat. To invite your friends, tap Invite with Link. Then choose how you want to send the invite to your friends. You can send it in a text message, email, or through a social media app of your choice. Your group chat can have up to 20 people included in total. Once your friends receive the invite, they can tap the link to join the group chat. Then, you and your friends can collaborate within your conversation with ChatGPT and have the AI help you with a project, planning a getaway, or work through ideas together. Your private conversations with ChatGPT will not be referenced or used in group chats, and ChatGPT won't create memories from your group conversations. Note that everyone in a group chat can see who else is in the chat, and you can leave a group at any time if you wish to do so. That's all it takes to create group chats with ChatGPT. Want to try out OpenAI's other new app, Sora? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.